welcome or welcome back to my channel, Jia Journals. So today is the first day of Kala week and I'm going to show you a lot of things here and they have a lot of variety of stalls in our college. So just wait and watch and see. Bye bye.
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for.
So guys, I've met a bunch of people while I recording the video for my channel. So there are some of the boys just came to me and he was like, "You were Jia from Jia Journal?" I was like, yeah, I am. And he was like, okay, I'm gonna subscribe a channel. I was like, okay, it's fine. I'm really feeling awkward at that time. I have so many fans. Kind of, I feel very weird. But yeah, they are juniors and they just kind of weird. I feel so, and yeah, but I like it. I have so many. Okay, so there are a lot of people here again, but so it's a very wonderful experience because there are many people who know me, who knows my channel. So love to them. A big heart to my juniors who know me. And okay, so after this I'm going to show you the entire view. So this is how the stalls look like. So guys, now we are going to see the stalls. Me and my Joshma. Joshma want to share something.
This MF people took my lip balm, which was about to end, so it's okay.
Yeah, okay. So now we are going to watch the stalls. Fully dedication, but we don't have to buy anything because we are kind of confused. So let's go. Let me show you the view from the ground floor. So it's kind of dim, but let me just brighten it out. So the first stall we are going to visit, it's a clip-ons or jewelry. So much of jewelry again. This is the stall. So this is the second stall. Okay, so this is the bouquet kind of thing here. Oh, these are cute stuff. Cute.
How much are these?
And this is the registration corner where you can just register for the stand-up kind of thing. Then we are going to the next stall. So the next stall is your favorite cheesecake stall with varieties of cheesecake. Okay, so there are varieties of cheesecakes. Let me show. Oh my god, wow. So cute flower, guys. Then again the photo booth stall. Okay, so this is the photo booth. Again we have the photo booth stall. It's too high for us,
Especially for me.
yes. Oh, next we have the cream
The creamy hole.
The creamy hawk. I don't know what that is. And we have. Okay, so Oh, this one is quite expensive, so no. Let's move on to the next stall. Yeah, burrito. Okay, now next we have again a jewelry stall. So you can just see this. Oh, this is the same stall. Then we have a bag stall. Okay, so here's something like chashu. Okay, then this is a bag stall. Then here you can just see the stall without nameplate, but it's you can just know by recording. Okay, now next, again there is a kurti stall. Okay, so these are the stalls. Again we have a cute stall with various jewelries. Now guys, we are going to basketball court. Actually, they only used to put stalls for the food stall for the like food stall in the basketball court. And by the way, okay, so now I'm gonna show you the crowd. Guys, the entire college looks like blue.
Over here, Dadika. Over here, I look like the.
Unique person.
I look like what do you say? The grass that's grown in the ocean.
Wow.
Actually, I'm not the only one. So
Okay guys, so now we are going to the basketball. Guys, now we have to take a long route to go to the basketball court because people are not allowed from that part or something.
yeah,
I don't know.
Go through that. We're not allowed.
My
to go
eyeliner is clocky. This is the crowd for the stand-up comedy. Yeah, one of the celebrities coming in our college. So this is a kind of stall with no nameplate. What they are providing a kind of khichdi. Then kind of khichdi. Then it's a Coke shop, Coke and drink shop, I think. She's giving a. Then in basketball court there is a huge crowd. Oh, this is the drink. Amino Indi. Okay, let's go. This is the another corner. Okay, so this is another corner for the drinks and all. So after eating the twister,
all clear.
view with blue people. Now we are in washroom and taking pictures.
We look like dead people.
Guys, something is going there.
When you can now?